I've been on the edge of selling this thing, but it's so close to 1,000 miles. I mean, I might as well just fucking hit it.
There was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I said, "You could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type." So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you you could walk away, sponge?" I responded, "No," and then he hit me with an 8 punch all up in my face, and then I lost my patience. So I spun around and whipped out 2 of my ray guns. He said, "Oh no," and then he tried to run away. But I said, "Oh no, no, little homie, you messed up my day."
Every tree must find its place in the sun. Without sunlight, neither a tree nor any green plant could grow.
This is the best part about this bike. Alright, so I could go that way. I kind of wanted to go that way, but I'm not going to go that way. I could go that way, but I'm not going to go that way. So I'm going to go this way. This is always the best part about the bike rides. It's coming across like deer and shit like that. That's cool. This one looks like he wants to run, but he also looks like the one that I've come across before that likes doing it. Oh shit, there's another one right there. Hey, no, go, no, not towards the train. Yeah, back that way. Yeah, no, back now. No, not towards the train. No, yes. Cool, yes. Oh shit. Man, I would have felt fucking terrible. Slowing down, this is one of my spots I like to just come to and hang out. Fuck COVID.
He's right.
Fuck that guy. That guy sucks dick. I've been wanting to come back and fish this spot for a while. I keep telling a buddy that we're gonna come over here and fish. We ain't come over here and fish yet. Right there. What is down there? I wanna know. Is it a fishy that I can catch? I wanna know.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right.
Trap though, 24 shell cases on the floor.
Perfect. Myself some H2O. That water's hot as fuck. What's up?
Bitch, what's up? Yeah, you must be late. Yeah, I been this shit. This your bop, this your throwaways. Probably richer bitch. She a thot, throw that hoe away. Ball out with my clique. Fuck her up, we don't throw no shade. Pull up with them sticks. Shooting in nigga from the neck up. Headshots only nigga rest up. It's an earthworm, Jimmy, ain't no bed bugs. We on that whole week, get your bread up. Hold up, got a hottie in the old rap. She just wanna party, need a whole messed up. All I see is stunts. Why they wanna be like us? Why? Higher than Elon Musk. Tell me who he gon' touch. Run up on a nigga with a black mask, no mask. Fuck a bad face, see no web cap, no cap. Kick in your door where the rack at. Throw that whole thing in my backpack. Bitch, what's up? Yeah, you must be late. Yeah, I been this shit.
Yo, this thing is this is not an e-bike friendly shortcut. I know that kind of looks wide, but kind of gets shitty up there. But the shortcut nonetheless. The only way to make an e-bike friendly is to oh shit, keep taking e-bikes down. It's pretty hard. Oh shit, the glasses. Few more ties in the heat. Y'all know I come from the belly of the sea. Few new One-handed riding. They fucking easy. I need a chest mount.
Dumb, do you know where I'm
Who wants to buy me a
Bitch,
chest
what's up?
mount so I
Yeah,
can
you
make
must
cooler
be late.
videos?
Yeah, I been this shit. This your bop, this your throwaways. Probably richer bitch. She a thot, throw that hoe away. Ball out with my clique. We don't throw no shade. Pull up with them sticks.
Chicks.
Tapping on me, I'm a starfish. Throw me a bag and I'm barfing. Call emoji in my comments.
Oh, this
I'm built for that shit, and they get caught up and be telling. That's why there's so many rats out here. And y'all need to quit pressuring these sucker ass niggas. You know this nigga a hoe, man. You done seen all the signs, man. Let these niggas just be who they is, man. Everybody not a gangster.
Everybody tryna pull a kick though. I thought you had money, what you tryna hit a lick for? Everybody saying that it toast sticks. You got it for sure, you really ain't gon' blow shit. I shine in the dark like a glow stick. I lost my big dog, it was hard for me to cope with. You got niggas on call.
closer.
Listen, I'm the nigga that they go.